I bet you thought that was a commercial for an exotic supercar, but no. This is the Aiper Seagull Pro that comes in a box. And included in the box is the hook that you attach to a pole to retrieve it out of the pool once it is parked. And this is the charger to charge it once it runs out of battery. Here is a look at the unit itself. Very sleek. This Seagull Pro features the world's first quad motor system, which utilizes 200 watts of power for strong suction, and it is able to filter 130 gallons per minute, trapping debris, cleaning the pool floors and walls very effectively. So you'll see in a demo later that the dual rubber brushes help scrub dirt, leaves, or whatever dirt that's accumulated in your pool, and it forces it into the channel with the rubber pieces on the side into the vacuum port on the bottom. There are 3 cleaning modes that you can choose from. Auto, which cleans both the floors and the walls. Walls only or just floors only. So you can designate and target only what you want to clean. Whether you have a small or large pool, this Aiper vacuum covers pool sizes up to 3,200 square feet, so bigger than most houses, unless you live in a big house. The worst part about cleaning any pool is dealing with cords and hoses. This cordless design saves me so much time because I don't have to deal with installing the hose, worry about tangled cords, or having to install a bunch of accessories before using it. It's literally drop and go. You're going to want to fully charge it before the first time you use it. Now Aiper has improved their battery charging over time and is now on their best battery system yet, which fully charges in only 90 minutes. 90 minutes of charge time gives you around 3 hours of runtime, and that's very incredible. Looks like it's done charging. Let's go ahead and take it out to the pool and do some real cleaning. Now my pool may not look dirty at all because all of the debris are settled on the bottom. It is not until we get in there, start swimming before everything is kicked up, and I'm in the pool with my net trying to scoop out all of the things that's falling around. You guys know that feeling. Let's dive under and see what we have here so we can vacuum it up. Wrong place. Oops. Well, here we go. As you can see, the amount of dirt stuff that are made from the leaves, dirt, bugs, and who knows what else accumulate in just one day. And it is hard to see from above, and it is all over the floor and the walls. Okay, so it's fully charged. You can see that it's green here. Very important to make sure that this plug is closed before you drop it in. And once you drop it in, it'll stay on the bottom for a little while before it turns on. So here we go. Once the turbine kicks in, it starts to go to work. I have an oval shaped pool, and I think the wave path navigation technology that Aiper has was having a hard time at first to map the layout of the pool. But eventually I think it figured it out and had complete coverage of the pool floors, walls, and the water line. So I wanted to double check halfway through. This is just about an hour in, and I'm looking at no debris. I took a look at it closer already earlier, and I can't find anything. Oh my God, if it's as well as it's working, and this is definitely worth the money. This is crazy clean right here, and it's working around the ladder. So yeah, we'll give it a couple more hours and see how it goes. There are 3 modes to select from, and on the automatic mode that I left on for the first time, it was supposed to clean the pool floors for the first 50% of the battery life, and the rest of the battery life is spent cleaning the pool walls until it reaches low battery level and goes to park itself. The 4-wheel drive wall climbing ability is a must-see. It is just amazing to think that it has enough power or water pressure to power this unit up the walls. And you also get to see the brush that's scrubbing on the walls, leaving it super clean. I had to retrieve it while it was still cleaning because it has been running for a couple of hours and it seems to be still going, and my kids and I decided that we were going into the pool because it was so hot. Here's a look at how easy it was to take the filter out and clean. As simple as that was, it's actually one of my favorite features, the ease of cleaning. Other vacuums, you literally have to take the entire thing apart, and rinsing it out and putting it back was just as easy. Can't say enough how painless Aiper made this cleaning process. I hooked it up to the charger while we swam. I had to jump in the pool and take a look for myself how clean the Seagull has gotten my pool. I'm holding my breath this whole time just for you guys. And you can really tell the difference. I don't see anything sitting on the bottom. I don't see any dirt or on the pool walls. I think it just did an amazing job. So this is after just one use. And it is so clear, so blue. And I can tell that it's not cloudy anymore. All of the debris that was on the bottom kind of isn't there anymore along the wall. Okay, so I was thinking that wasn't impressive because my pool was already semi-clean and there wasn't a lot of debris like tiny sand or rocks to pick up. So I thought of something. So since my pool is pretty clear today and I don't have much debris, I'm gonna use some of these beads. I didn't want to use sand because I didn't want to, I don't know how the vacuum's gonna do and I don't want to damage it. So I'm using some of these beads that's gonna sink to the bottom. I hope there's a lot of them. Just like that. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. Maybe it will. Okay, a couple of hours later, the Aiper is parked there. That means the batteries are all done. And I can go ahead and fish that thing up and see what's inside. As far as all of the beads, it did a really good job. I don't see any beads. I mean, I see some beads, but not all over. There's a few here and there that it might have missed. So like some right there. Let's go ahead and fish it out and see what's inside of it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa. Pretty much everything there. Pretty much all of the beads that I threw down. It didn't look like much on the video because you just can't really see these on the bottom of the floor. But look at that. That's almost a whole entire box of beads. So I'm gonna rinse it out. After rinsing out the debris and the beads, I ran the Aiper one more time to make sure it cleaned up everything that it missed, which wasn't much. Once that was done, I don't think I've ever had a cleaner looking crystal clear pool. Even my wife was impressed, so she decided to jump into the pool with us. This Seagull Pro saved me so much time, and it is precious time that I use to enjoy the pool with my family and friends instead of the time spending to clean it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you in making your purchase decision. Bye now.